weather's been getting warmer lately, and I've been able to go out and take more photos. The color's still not quite there, and the environment is still rather brown and ugly. And I'm making this video to document one way that I've been trying new things in my photography to keep it interesting. I've been shooting with the same film recipe for almost as long as I've had my Fuji camera, just because it works and I like the results. But in these shooting scenarios where the world's been brown and ugly and it hasn't quite been what I want, this recipe that I've been sticking with doesn't quite give me the look that I've been wanting. Two of the new film recipes I've been using are black and white with the R filter, because I like what it does with the skies, as well as classic chrome for when I still want some color in my photos for muted colors. And these have been giving me some great results, and you can see some of the ones I've been experimenting with. In the future, I want to explore more of these recipes that I haven't used very much, and even further explore the ones that I tested in this video. But anyways, I hope you found this little experiment of a video useful, and if not, then at least entertaining. Happy shooting.